So we have just finished getting our tickets for, what was it again, Sal? The bridge, the Twin Tower Bridge, Pangyang Wang something.
You're taking the place, it's called Patronus.
That's it, Patronus, Twin Towers. I kind of wasn't that, that's bad. We've got the tickets for that now, and we're gonna go to KL Tower. And are we just getting tickets for KL Tower, or are we gonna go to top?
It probably depends what the viewing's time is like.
So we'll try to get it. And also it's raining.
You can see the tower right there if you wanna show it.
So it's a nice little, there it is, sticking out like a sore thumb. And Mudasam is asleep before he's even gone to the hotel. This guy sleeps regularly, and that's the fourth account I've got him. Fourth.
More like 40th.
The 40th probably, but I think that I've recorded on Snap. Fourth.
He's actually fully asleep, you know, he's snoring.
The guy is a specialist when it comes to sleeping.
I can't believe it. Well,
you know how some people are specialists when they sleep and stand?
Yeah.
Most specialist. The moment he sits down. The moment he sits down, he's gone.
He's actually snoring. Just conked out good night.
Oh my goodness. This thunderstorm is insane. I've never experienced a thunderstorm this powerful before. You can hear the roar. Alright, look at this, this is KL Tower. Tickets, Mudasam is the hall, and flipping it. It's fun, it's fun. This is ridiculous! Lightning. You know, yeah, I wanted it to rain, and it started raining. Oh shit! Rain! Rain! Ah! That felt so heavy. Oh sugar, that's... My back is wet. Oh. This lightning, man. Oh, this is crazy. I think where I'm going is dangerous. Slippery, wet. Be careful. I can't, man. I actually can't. I want to stay dry. Oh, lightning! If I get struck, oh my goodness! Everything's clouded up. The rain has dropped this place. The rain has caught this place heavily. Oh no! I might have to stay on this side. Please say there's a way. Oh no! Oh, there's a stage. Where did this come from? Some of that jewelry. I see Sahar. There's probably a Muslim somewhere too. There he is. Damn. And we're back here. Quick spin, quick turnaround, all damn things, amazing, yeah. So, well guys, I'm at the gym. Now obviously this doesn't look like the gym because it leads to this outside area, but I'm guessing this is just to relax because the gym is inside. Oh, look at this! I can't go! Let's go inside. There was a woman in here, so I thought I'll just wait until she goes. Look at this, mate. Look at this. This is such an inefficient use of space. What am I looking at over there? Is that a graveyard? I'm a bit scared right now. Sahar. I thought I heard Sahar. Oh, that view! Look at it! Oh, I just turned it right that way. But that is mad. Literally a graveyard. I can't believe it. Well, I should believe it. I don't know why I can't. Just going to the hotel room now. Unfortunately, we're on the smoking floor, so our floor stinks. Now, my question is, yeah, why is this number beeping? These two guys have definitely done something. This is madness.
What's it? This room is incredible. I wasn't for my dear. What's yours say?
The best year in the world!
Let's just not leave this. I don't understand.
I said that, yeah, that gym is too big.
Is that everything?
Hey! I don't think you understand.
Hey, look what we got. Here we go.
Hey, no, I need to check out these rooms. I need to check out these rooms. What? How big? This is. I swear down. We got a living room.
What's that?
We got rooms.
Oh, are you telling me there's free toilet?
Hey, tell them to bring, I don't know, Febreze or some shit, man. This whole place stinks to smoke.
No, you're forcing it.
You joking?
You're forcing it.
Are you joking?
Moses, do you still smoke?
So I think you're a smoker. I actually think you're a smoker.
There's smoke, trust me.
I think you're a smoker.
It's because mentally you're expecting it to be.
No. I think you're a smoker. What the hell, Moses? Moses, can you not smell it? Moses, can you not smell it? It's all over the place, isn't it?
Huh?
I think you've been in there too long.
Trust me,
I think you've been in there too long. We can watch Burnley and Bournemouth. I mean, quality's not that great, but we can see the game. It's like 1950s football. This is wrong, man. I'm gonna use all my battery just showing you this whole. Woo! Insane. Okay, what the hell? Where you lot going? I'm not joking, this place, yeah, it just gets better and better. Gotta look at this, man. This is like Matrix and shit. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. I almost see like Japanese style buildings in. I don't think that's supposed to be a river. I think that's supposed to be a road. Because look.
9, 2, 9, 5.
I thought that was a countdown. Something was gonna happen, like it was gonna change.
5 minutes.
Oh snap.
Integration.
The whole of Kuala Lumpur. All the way around, all the way across. We got the two main buildings. Might as well be Trump Tower. And might as well be Trump Tower 2. And then we've got everything in between. What do you think, Sahal? Do you like this?
As many of you that are watching this may know,
I saw you take so long.
not many times I'm speechless, but in this moment in time, I'm not speechless, nothing special. We're wasting time. I think I'll get your phone, I'll take photos, man.
Oh, it's just look at that.
Right, exactly. No, no,
Hey man, sir, we have a timer here.
Yeah, no, we know, don't worry, we're calculating it, don't worry, we're all good. Hey, Sahal, we can't see each other.
Posing for the photo.
I can't see you.
Man, so long.
Sahal, we say. This is actually kind of decent. Kind of trash. Kind of decent. Kind of trash.
26 seconds.
Hey, listen, we've got. How long do we have left?
Analyze it after, yeah?
How long do we have left? We've got like 19 seconds. 19 seconds. 19 seconds. 18 seconds. 17 seconds.
I saw it's looking. It's looking crap.
There we go. 5 seconds. Listen. One more. 2 more. Get 3. Do like 10 in 1 go.